Hey, Kittl users all around the world.
Tell me this is... Hi guys, it's Duda. You might already know me from Kittl socials or this YouTube channel, but let me introduce myself. I'm Duda. I am Kittl social media manager, but I'm also a graphic designer. And today we're going to Dusseldorf Kittl trip. Yay! Because you're coming with me to Dezain Crush, which is a super cool design festival focused on contemporary Japanese and German illustrations. So it's gonna be, you know, chef's kiss. Okay, I'm excited. Let's go. Packed my bags. We need to go to the train station to meet Christina, which is our lovely... Me trying to be Gen Z and millennial at the same time, which is our lovely community manager. So yeah, she's going with me on this adventure. Let's go. Fit check. Graphic design core, just like black clothes. Okay. Okay, Dusseldorf, we're here and we're ready. Let's go, Dezain Crush. See you guys there. Oh, by the way, Kittl merch, Kittl merch, Kittl merch, Kittl merch. Yeah, it's cool. I know. You're jealous, I know. Honestly, guys, I'm just excited as you are because I don't know what to expect. I mean, I know what to expect. A bunch of cool stuff, but like, at the same time, you know? Oh, by the way, you guys, Toby's there. Yeah, I know you guys like him, so surprise. Honestly, this, never making the font bigger, like ever again. Okay, Dusseldorf, not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Hello, Dezain Crush. We are so here. It's insane how much we are here. Okay, I really like those. Yeah. Toby, say hi to all of the Kittl users around the world.
Hey, Kittl users all around the world.
What are you thinking about this whole beauty of exhibition?
Beautiful stuff. What should I say? Like amazing designers, amazing illustrators.
If you follow Kittl on Instagram, tell me this is not giving what's cool this week. It's giving what's cool this week, right guys? I'm so glad I'm here. Wish you guys could be here with me. Well, if you can, definitely come see Dezain Crush. Okay, you guys are not ready for this, like, not ready for this at all. Kittl stickers, Kittl flyers. Ooh, it feels so good. Yeah. The material is so nice. It's a day 2 of Dezain Crush. We're heading there in the afternoon, so I'm gonna explore the city a little bit, explore Dusseldorf. The weather is not the best, but well, we're in Germany. There's only so much we can do. So I'm gonna take you to explore the city with me a little bit, and then we're gonna get lunch, and then we're heading to Dezain Crush Yesterday was pretty awesome. Like, I was mesmerized with everything I saw. And guys, if you have the opportunity to go to a design festival or a design conference, go, because that's like references in real life. Also, let me show you something. I got this film camera to take some cool pictures of Dusseldorf. It's gray. It's kind of like rainy outside, but this is like a black and white film, so I think it's gonna like match the vibe, like darkness of the city, you know? You guys, I need to show this because this is so creative. Look at this. These are business cards. I'm gonna take one of each.